Greetings traders. Mark your calendars for Friday, March the 10th, 2023, as the London Trader Show and I are teaming up to bring you an unparalleled masterclass for technical traders. We're calling it the Pro Trader Elite Series. It's been designed specifically for this year's event, and this class will equip you with real-world trading techniques and provide a real-time market analysis to ensure that you stay ahead of the curve. So whether you're looking to generate a secondary or a primary source of income, this class is tailored to meet your needs. During the session, we will delve into the absolute universal laws that govern the financial markets for technical traders, help you build an effective trading routine, and develop a risk management plan that actually makes sense to you. You'll learn how to streamline your charts by using only the indicators that matter and apply proven strategies in the correct markets. If you're confused about trading, don't worry, we've got you covered. Our comprehensive class comes with a support program, optional mentoring sessions, and a host of additional tips and techniques to supercharge your trading journey. There's no upselling, there are no gimmicks, just the practical skills that you need to succeed as a retail trader. By the end of the Pro Trader class, you'll gain clarity on which trading style best suits your needs and which markets to avoid, as well as how to build your account safely and responsibly, and most importantly, how to make your success sustainable. As an experienced trader and the chief market analyst at ForexFox here in the UK, I understand the complexities of the trading world. That's why I've designed this program to break down every trader's journey into 5 parts. Developing technical skills, building confidence, understanding your personal biases, grasping the price action, and finally creating a profitable trading plan. Naturally, seats for this exclusive event are limited, so I wouldn't hesitate. Book now and secure your spot. All right, I'll be on hand to answer your questions and provide personalized support throughout the day. And I would love for you to join me at the Pro Trader Elite Series event and elevate your trading game to new heights. I look forward to seeing you there.